Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so I've got my broccoli chopped into, 2 heads of broccoli chopped into bite-sized florets, and I've sliced the stems like this, and I've got a pot of water on to boil, just like a centimetre, so half an inch, quarter of an inch, half an inch I guess, of salted water, just because we're going to kind of steam boil the broccoli. So while that pot's coming up to the boil, I'm just going to make my salted butter, my spiced butter. So I've got 480 grams, so 3 and a bit ounces of salted butter, and then I want 4, I'm going to use 4 because I like it quite spicy, teaspoons of, this is my Stone Soup spice blend, so it's like my secret blend, which if my meal planning members know about, but you could just use a mixture of like equal parts ground cumin, ground coriander, and smoked paprika. This has also got some fennel seeds and one other spice. There's black pepper as well, but just keeping it simple is good. And then 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Just make sure you don't get the seeds in. And then you just want to mash that together. It helps to make sure the butter's soft before you start. Like if it's coming straight out of the fridge, you might want to zap it in the microwave or just pop it in the oven just to soften it. So yeah, then have a taste. Because the butter's salted, I generally don't need to season it anymore. But you might like to add a little bit more spice or a little bit more lemon juice. It's up to you. And if you want it hot, you could add some chili powder, some chili flakes, or some fresh chili as well. Heaps of options. Great, so butter's ready. So while the broccoli's cooking away, I'm going to get my salmon on to cook, but you can use any fish with this. It doesn't have to be salmon, whatever you feel like. I just got I'm actually using frozen fillets that have been defrosted. So I just drizzle the skin with olive oil and pop a little bit of salt on, and I'm just going to get it into the hot pan. And these aren't super big, so probably going to give them 3 or 4 minutes on each side. So when the broccoli's had 5 minutes, just get it off the heat, and it'll be bright green because we've used salt in the water. I'm just going to drain it and it'll be ready to serve, and then we'll just finish off the salmon. And I'll just serve the broccoli and salmon with the spiced butter on top and some roast walnuts. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.